uNomasomi Dimako ungomunye wabangu 6.4 million wezigidi zabantu bakuleli abaphila naleligciwane lesandulela ngculaza. Wathola ukuthi unaleligciwane eminyakeni eyishumi nomuvo edlule, kanti uthi izinhlelo zikahulumeni azibabhekeleli abafana naye.
They concentrate to the people without disabilities more than us, while we are vulnerable to HIV and AIDS through abuse, through rape. People think that we are not sexually active as we are having the disability, but we are sexually active and we are not immune to HIV and AIDS.
Ubephakathi kwamakhulu ke abantu abebesemcimbini okukhumbula usuku lwesifo sengculaza eVelcom.
This World AIDS Day should let us redouble our efforts wherever we may find ourselves to fight against prejudice, to fight against stigma and discrimination that is directed by some amongst us against those who are infected and affected by HIV.
Uhulumeni usukuvikele ukubamba lo mcimbi kulandela ugxekwa ngokuthi ke imali yawo ibingasetshenziswa kangcono enhlelweni ke zokulwisana nalesisifo.
The aim is to listen to the challenges. That was the aim, and going out to communities. And so we don't see anything wrong with that. It's not as if HIV/AIDS programs are suffering in any way. But if we start having days like this, the communities will bit by bit forget about the problems of HIV/AIDS.
Uhulumeni uthi ke usuwenze omkhulu umsebenzi ekulwisana naleligciwane, futhi uyavuma nokho ukuthi lelizwe liyonqoba lesisifo uma wonke umuntu wakuleli ke ehlolela leligciwane.